In today's video, I am going to teach you how to resend marketing emails in Hubspot. Resending a marketing email is useful when you want to reach people who missed your first send, or when you need to add a small group of additional recipients after the original email has already gone out. Hubspot makes this simple, and it also gives you a couple of safe options so you can avoid sending duplicates to the wrong people. Start by logging into your Hubspot account and going to the top navigation menu. From there, open Marketing, and then select Email. This takes you to the email dashboard where you can view drafts, scheduled emails, and emails that have already been sent. In the list, find the marketing email that you want to resend. Click directly on the name of the sent email to open its details. This is important because the resend option is tied to the specific email record, including its performance data like opens and clicks. Once you are on the email details page, go to the top right corner and find the Actions dropdown. Click Actions and then choose Resend. HubSpot will now ask you how you want to handle recipients for this resend, and this is where you should be especially careful. You will see two options. The first is Add New Recipients. Use this when you want to send the same email to additional contacts who were not included the first time. The second option is Send to Not Opened. Use this when you want to resend to the people who received the original email but did not open it. This option helps reduce over-emailing engaged contacts, and it can improve your overall results. After you select the option that matches your goal, click Review and Send. Take a moment on the review screen to confirm the recipient choice is correct and that you are resending the intended email version. When everything looks right, click Send Email Now to send it immediately. And that is all there is to it.